What's up, guys? Back with a little unboxing review of some other lights, LED lights, and these are going to be for the high beams in my 93 Prelude. I got reached out from a company, OXILAM, and they wanted me to try a set of lights in the Prelude. And they were like, hey, you know, we'd like to sponsor the Prelude. So I wanted to give them a shout out and go through this and unbox it and then show you guys you know, the difference in how they look compared to, because right now I'm actually just running OEM high beams in there. I do have LED low beams, but I do have just regular standard halogen bulbs, still running the OEM high beams in there, and they also come on for the daytime running lights. So these are pretty sweet to see. So I'm going to do a little before and after and show you guys a quick install all in this video. It should be pretty easy. But these are the LED lights, the M5S series, and these are 6500K color temperature. And yeah, basically, you know, LED, you guys want more to specs, you can always, you know, go check them out online. And first off, I want to say it is pretty cool because I've had a lot of different LED lights, and this actually comes with a pretty seriously cool manual that actually explains stuff instead of just saying like basically stuff to cover their ass. And if you check out, there's basically their information to check out all their social media sites, which I will be linking on here too. And it just goes right through. And it's basic. If you've changed some light bulbs and stuff, you know what to do. But it is just cool and appreciated because there's people out there that this is their first time, you know, doing this. So my personal opinion, right off the bat, this shows the company's not lazy and just wasting their time and they're being like, oh, just search it online. It's nice to have physical product and something that you can reference right there in your face right away. Another cool thing is they give you a little pair of gloves to change the light bulbs. Now this is cool because I've never had this from any company that I've ever done. So this is pretty neat. I like this. So I'm actually going to put these on and change my bulbs. That way I just don't, you know, touch anything with my hands. And right here, you got the LED bulbs. So these are designed, let me put my little gloves on. These are designed now. And I'm not a, you know, light bulb LED guru or super tech or anything. So, you know, if you want more in-depth understanding of this, you're going to have to go to the professionals. But I can tell you just, you know, the basics from what I've went through and seen and done and learned. But I'll pull this out. And these are going to be for the 9005 bulbs for mine replacing. And now a lot of these LED bulbs, instead of having the big like box that connects them or a resistor box or, you know, I can't remember the exact term for it. But basically, you'd have like a box that run to it and power it, and you know, it'd be kind of clunky and in the way. Now they're building these where the little fan and everything is all in one, and you have everything set up. So hopefully this is gonna fit well. We're gonna see, check it out, and go over there. I'm gonna show you one of the ones I'll be changing out really quick. So these on the Prelude, they have a little plastic piece you got to turn up, and my arm's in the way, so we're not really too much I could do there. But you see the little plastic ring right, move my hands right there, that just turns to your left, and you turn it to your left and pops it loose so you can pull the bulb out, and you just pull the bulb straight back,